let's say you have a document that you shared with your friend or colleague in the past, but now you don't want to share the document anymore. You are no longer collaborating with them, or you just want to make the document private. So how do you remove the access from those people? Well, it's quite simple. Just go to the share menu, and then here you can remove the access by going to the name and then change the role from editor to remove access. That instantly remove their access from the document. However, you might also want to check out the general access, because maybe you have shared a document public in the past where people can see or even edit the document when they have access to the link. So you want to change the setting as well. In this case, you can change the role to just a mere viewer, or you can also just remove the access completely so they are no longer able to see the document. Just click on this option and click restricted, and that instantly remove your document from the circulation, and nobody can see the document anymore even though they have the link before. So after you're done, just click the done button, and there you have it. The document is completely private. I hope this video helps you.